Hey, this is Vic and welcome back to Crash Construction. Today I'm going to talk to you about these, what are these? Leon Tool wire cutters and strippers. They're made in China. They come in this plastic box and plastic bag. I guess they're a 4-in-1 tool. And grip's a little sticky. And made in China. Focus. Yes. Hopefully that focuses. And I guess they got the wire strippers in the middle, and some cutters, and some crimpers, and yeah. And these are the, don't know how they compare to other wire cutters, because I just don't. And they're $8.99 on Amazon, and there's a different pair with like grippier handles, same price. And these are, I guess the PVC handles. I'm not sure what that means, but so I don't know. Seem okay for $9. If they don't, I'm sure they'll work, but $9 isn't terrible for a tool. They open pretty easily. Thanks for watching.